Okay, I already connected the SonOff, and this is the blink script, and I have connected a humidity sensor to GPIO 14, and this is the settings that I have. I bought 5 of these SonOff, and these settings didn't work on one of them. My brother bought also 5, and he used these settings, and it worked on all of them. So I can show you, upload it. So you will see now the script is uploading normally. It goes up to 100%, and then he does get up to 100%. The green light is actually going to blink right away, but it does not do that. You can see right now the green LED is not blinking. So if you try to, need to connect this again in flash mode, hold the button down, connected, let go, and then we're going to settings. Then we change the flash mode from QIO to doubt. That's it. And then then we upload it. Now it started uploading, and everything seems normal. Just like the last time I uploaded. And now we're going to see the green LED is going to blink right away. 100 and blink. Now it's solid green. The SonOff is ready to go. Just change the flash mode from QIO to doubt. I was sitting in 3 days trying to figure this out, and I hope this video can help you if you have this problem, because I didn't find anything on YouTube, and I looked in forum and deep into the forums, and then I find one guy that mentioned this flash mode, but he didn't say that that was the answer. So I'll just try it, and it worked. So yeah, I hope this helps. See ya.